So in this particular example, we have using the COUNTX function, but in this particular case, we want to count the number of, recall the COUNTX has two arguments. The first argument is the table argument, while the second argument is the column in which we're interested in. Now, the first argument, which is a COUNTX function, first argument, which is a is a table argument, that's the first argument. In this particular example, we will make use of the table name known as reseller, and we use the code reseller, the column name known as postal code. Now, in this other example, second example, we did make use of the products, and product color equals to red. Now, when we did the first COUNTX function, let me bring on my Power BI. The one we did the first COUNTX function, we did the first COUNTX function, we calculated the number of rows in the column of the product in the column of the product table, and we're interested to know the red product. You can see the first argument was the table argument. I will make use of what product. Now it's not necessarily we have to just include the table name known as product. Now, let me do another example of this same COUNTX of red product. Let's see another example for that. We're still going to count the number of red products. We're still going to count the number of red products. But this time around, COUNTX red. So we're interested in the red product. So let's use the COUNTX. Now, the name of the table is product. That's the name of the table, is known as product. Now, but this time we are not going to use product. Now, when that says a table, you can either use a table name or an expression that will be evaluated by DAX that will result to a table. For instance, I can use a particular function known as filter. Now, filter is asking for the first argument is a table. I'm interested in the product table. I put product, a comma. Now, what expression? Now, I'm interested in the product table now. I can now put a particular expression. I can say product. I can say I'm interested. Okay, let's say product color equals to red. Now, when I type red, I make use of a double quotation sign, because I'm dealing with letters. I'm dealing with words here. So that's why I use the double quotation sign. You can see the first bracket here is the same, the first bracket for this. Now, for the count function. Now, the first argument of the count function talks about what? Table. That is requesting for a table. So when DAX evaluates all this will produce a table. All this from this point to this point is going to produce a table of the product. It's going to produce an abridged version of the product table that contains red color. Now, let me copy this. Let me go to DAX. I'm going to run this on DAX. I'm going to run that particular on DAX. Let's just call this one. I'm going to run this on DAX. Now, just to show you that part of the query, I pasted it there. The moment I run this particular query, you can see it gives me a table, and you can see the column. The product color is red. So that's that part. So that's the thing, that this particular column, this particular query, from this point of the query to this point of the query, is going to give me what? A table. The DAX function for COUNTX says the first argument has to be a table. So it's not necessarily we use the name of the table products as we did in this particular example. This particular example, we make use of the name of that table product. It's not necessarily you use the name of that table product. You could use an expression like this that will give you a result or an output that will be a table. As long as the value of the output of that particular table, as long as the output of that particular query will result to a table, it is okay. So either use a table name or an expression that will result to a table. So now you can see all this represents the first argument here, which is what is a table. Now, what is the expression? The expression now is I can output, I can type product column as an expression. Well, when I drag and drop here, I drag this and drop here, and I make use of this, you can, it's giving us this gives us 63. Now, because filter this product color, sorry, we'll put the filter product equals to red. Will it have red here? Now you can see at the bottom of this, we have 63 here. You can see that the filter, there we can see the number of rows we have is 53. When you count the number of rows in this particular column, right? In this column, you can see we have 63 rows. So that gives us 63 rows. That's what we call 63 rows here. So we can also do it all the way around. We can decide to run the DAX query this way. Okay, we've already used filter. They say filter product equals to company. Now, I have different products on that particular table. We have product known as component. And we tell that, okay, filter product category equals to component. And in this particular expression, I can say this dot column equals to, well, let's see what that is going to do with this. Now you can see, I'm telling that now, run this query first and foremost. In that product table, I'm only interested in the products, in the components product, because in that particular table, we have the bike product, we have the accessory product. Now, this is the product, this is the table. Now, in this particular table, we have some products, categories of products that are components, some are accessories. We have some that are bikes, some that are clothing. So in that particular first query that I wrote, this particular first query that I wrote, I'm telling that I'm in this product table filter the categories of products that are components. Then after having done that, out of the product that are components, I want you to filter only those that are red. That is what this query is talking about. Now it's quite different from the other query that gave us 63. So I'm going to post another link now so we can continue with the training. I only have 3 minutes to go. I'm going to post another link so we can continue with the training. I'm going to post another link now so we can continue with the training.